Razr Fold is capable of multitasking 2 or even 3 applications at once. Let's take a look at this feature and how to activate multiple applications on the main screen. The first option is to open an app like Google Chrome. Tap the 3 dots at the top of the screen, then tap Split Screen. The app will move to the side and allow you to open another. We are choosing Notes to research in a web browser and take notes at the same time. Both apps are fully usable on either side. A second option is to open an app, then hold and drag from the bottom taskbar. This bar holds many of your most frequently used apps or favorites for quick access. You will have the ability to put the app at the bottom, left, top, or right of the screen. Just release where preferred. You can also choose to take an app from the app tray icon on the bottom left. Scroll to the app of your choosing, hold to drag, then release where preferred. Try using this for writing emails while referencing a spreadsheet or PDF on the other side, or shopping with 2 apps at once to compare prices. The third way to multitask is to open an app and swipe with 3 fingers in any direction. Then tap an app. Again, we are taking notes while researching online as an example. You can add a third app by swiping with 3 fingers again, or similar to before, holding an app from the app tray or taskbar, then drag to the new box at the top. Notice it says Add YouTube. Now easily tap between each application. For this example, I can watch a YouTube video, gather information from the web browser, and take notes all at the same time. Notice the bar in the middle of the screen. Tapping it offers more options. Tap Swap Position to switch the placement of each app on the screen. Personalize to your liking. This part is all about personal preference. Now let's close the app by tapping the 3 dots again and tapping Close App. Now we have 2 multitasking windows again. If you move the middle slider to the left or right, it is easy to enlarge one app or the other. This allows for another great way to multitask with more screen while maintaining your current app combination. Then quickly slide to the middle when finished. Tap the middle line with 2 apps open and you'll notice the Split Vertically button. Tap this to switch between vertical and horizontal application windows. Either split or swap the apps as needed with the middle line. Check it out, now I can watch my video on a much bigger part of the screen while still researching. Next, to replace an app, just hold and drag on the taskbar or app tray and release over the app you wish to replace. If an app is better vertically, just swap with the middle line again. This may be important as many social media apps are better in portrait view. To make multitasking even easier, you can save your app combination by tapping the middle line and then Save App Combo. Notice the icon on the home screen to instantly open both apps at once. Lastly, let's close the left app by tapping the 3 dots and tapping Close App. And finally, hit the home button to head back to the home screen. Thank you for checking out this video. If you would like to learn more about the Razr Fold's unique features, head to support.motorola.com, and good luck with multitasking on your new Razr Fold.